guys, welcome to Storytime with Summer. And today I'm in a cornfield. Do you ever wonder how corn gets out of the field? That gets out of the field? Well, come with me and I'm going to show you how. I'm going up on the combine so we can start cutting.
Okay. All right, we're getting ready to harvest a little corn this morning, every day. You just start it up. That's the corn head. It carries 6 rows of corn. That's the grain bin behind it. When you harvest the corn here, it goes in the grain bin, it shells it and everything. Then after that, we get a load, we dump it on the big truck.
All right, have fun. Now he dumped the corn in the truck, and I want to see what it looks like. So I have to go up this ladder under. And you may think this ladder is short so you can't see, but actually, when you get to the top, you can see everything. That's in the truck. Wow, that's so cool. We filled up this truck, now it's on the way to the grain bin. going to cut some more corn, so we will be ready to fill up the big truck. The big truck's here. There's like a light back there. It's so hot in the truck. I thought it was just a driver's seat and I see trucks passing all the time.
How dramatic.
That was supposed to go faster, but anyway, we're about to go empty the truck.
We winding the aug up, push it back to the back of the push it in the bin, and put the corn in.
Nah.
And you're gonna go around to the back and pull the spring to the top and come up. Now we're gonna be pushing the aug up. We got to go and get the pan to put to drop the corn in. Put the pan on it.
I wonder how the corn gets in there. Let's see. Oh, I think it's electric because they're plugging it into something. Oh.
You got to line the arrows up. Yeah. Yeah. Push. All right. Now, that's it. Back the trunk up. Just be ready to put the dog on it.
I've seen corn before and all that stuff, but I've never seen like them doing this process or anything. This is so cool. How long did this usually take?
About, what about 20 to 30 minutes? Is that long? Not quite 30 minutes. Yeah.
And that's how corn is made. They let me get on the tractor. I think I'm a pretty good driver. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.
Story time with Summer.